low-key go on somebody else's page, but don't go on there with your real page. Go on there with a fake page. So I went on there with my fake page to watch. All of a sudden, that nigga is in his phone and his whole face changed. Bro, you could read people. You know when somebody's in a good mood. You know when somebody's not in a good mood. You get what I'm saying? You know when somebody's in a mood and you know when somebody... I know the person. Not saying I could read the person, but I know the person. And I'm not stupid. I know what's up. So, when I went on my fake page now... and I'm looking, I saw that the nigga face changed and he's in his phone. But I was still on Dom live with my phone, but I used my next phone to watch. And I'm like, yep. When I went over the nigga live, Jessica, Miss Jessica Wessica, she was over in the nigga live telling him, check your phone. What a nigga checking his phone for? I know you went and tell him that I was over Dom shooting. You tell that nigga to check his phone. I'm not stupid. What possible you could say on the phone that you couldn't say in the chat? You know what I'm saying? And guess what happened, y'all? After she told him to check his phone, I was still on the Dom live shooting. You know what happened? Guess what happened? The nigga that she told to check his phone, he ended his live and came over on Dom's live. I was finna get the fuck out of that live because I'm like, yeah, you're weird as fuck to do that. Bro, even if I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But what I just say, who possibly wouldn't think what I be thinking? Let's be real. That nigga is on his live. That nigga is not finna watch another nigga battle. Fuck no, he not even gay. He's not finna watch another nigga battle. He's in his own match, doing his own thing on his own live. That nigga is not even a person to be live and watching other person. He'll be like doing his own thing, doing content, showing people stuff where he's gonna come up with YouTube, Twitch, da. So, and then she was on the live when I was gifting Dom. And then you went over the nigga live telling him check his message. And then soon as you say check the message, the nigga end his live. And the nigga popped up in Dom's live and then start gifting Dom. He sent Dom a galaxy. Obviously, because he want me to see that he's there. And I'm like, fuck yeah. I know shit was going to go down. And I said, you know what? I'm finna go. And I came out of Dom live. I didn't even go back over Dom live for a couple weeks. Because I'm like, I feel like I'm low-key being watched. Don't tell me that I'd suck with King. I only fucking say I was gonna go live with King to get on that nigga nerves. I don't like King. And if you mention King name again, you're gonna get blocked. I only use that nigga to get on somebody's nerves. And it did work. A nigga blocked me. You should have been blocked me anyway. I don't give a fuck. Right. And from that, I'm like, I don't fuck with Jessica no more. I low-key don't fuck with you because you're giving a fake vibes. And let me tell you something. From the get-go, I always tell that nigga, I fuck with Jessica. Because Jessica is just I like her spirit, bro. She haven't done nothing differently from bringing news. I like her spirit. I fuck with her. Somebody I want to meet in real life, want to have friends with. I'm fucking a nigga. You want to fuck that nigga too? It's fine, baby. We could do a threesome. I like girls. I ain't gonna lie. I may not fuck them no more, but I have a thing for girls. I could be sucking his dick while you could kiss him. He could be fucking you while I'm doing something else. We both could have the nigga. Like we all could be in one room fucking all night. It doesn't really matter to me. But when you gonna do messy shit like that, I didn't even see her message. Because if I saw her message, I would have let her know all the real story go between me and that girl, Pretty. That girl don't even like you, Jessica. She thinks you're very delusional. Because you saying you date a nigga that you never seen in your life. So, baby, don't be mad at me. I didn't even see this message because I blocked you. When I realized the nigga blocked me, I'm like, I don't think I should be friends with you, though. I'm going to block you, too. He blocked me, I'm going to block you. That's about it. So, if I had seen your message when you sent me Sunday, moderator, block this bitch for calling people name. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you? I would have call you or text you and tell you how the real tea go. Now, when she do that, I'm like, I don't like that. And there's another lie she told that I was fucking with. Like, you're just not a girly's girl person. One time the nigga was finna have a big battle. Not everybody know who I'm talking about. My Little Sensation, they know who I'm talking about. But 3,000 people don't know who I'm talking about. And if they know, fine. I don't want to call names. Now, one time the nigga was finna have a big battle, y'all. I told myself I was going to shoot against him. I was not going to shoot against the nigga. You think I was going to give somebody else... Dom, thank you. You think I was finna go give somebody else my line in uni that I don't even know? No. But I know that was low-key just going to piss him off or just get under his skin, because I like to get under a nigga's skin when I feel like a nigga fuck around me. So I said I was going to shoot against him. One day me and Jess was on live, and I told her why he didn't do, because he missed the battle. So I'm asking Jess because they always on phone, besties. So I'm like, Jess, why he didn't come? Stop. I'm like, Jess, why the nigga didn't come live? Because I was finna shoot against him because I recharged. And she be like, you was finna shoot against him? And I did turn around and say, no, I was going to end up gifting him. Why the nigga and Jess was battling and he asked her, was it true that she said she was not gonna, why didn't you tell me that she said she was not gonna shoot against me? And she gonna really tell the nigga that, oh no, she was gonna shoot against you. I can't fuck with you, Jess. I can't fuck with you. Let me block your ass. I can't fuck with you, girl. It's like you're not it's like, I don't know. It's like I can't fuck with you. You're not a girl's girls. Like, Jess is not a girl's. She's the type of person, let me mod you, Sheens. She's the type of person that she will bring a news to a nigga just to get a nigga. Or make herself feel pleased. And then you will sit on live and smile and battle with me. Like, you're weird as hell. I personally think that you're low-key weird. You watch me a lot and you bring news to that nigga about me. Because there's been plenty of times where you're just in a live and a nigga is already live. And then when you look, that nigga and his live coming over alive. Or that nigga on his phone low-key watching. Like, why you gotta bring news? Like, why you gotta do that? And then him blocking my people, that got nothing to do with me. You blocking Sheens, you blocking Mommy Sweetness. I've been wanted you to block me. Because you're a piece of... Don't say that word. I've been wanting you to block me. You want to know why? Because you're fucking playing around. Let me tell you how this nigga playing around, right? This nigga... I haven't seen this nigga in for a whole long time. I'm going to talk my shit. I don't give a fuck. I haven't... I haven't seen this nigga in a whole long time. I know why I haven't seen the nigga. The nigga tell me why. I'm not finna tell the internet that, though. Why the nigga didn't come for my birthday? It's not even my fault. I didn't do shit. I didn't know that was happening. It's not my fault. Could happen to anybody. I know he watching. You know what I'm talking about. Could happen to anybody. You mad at me because of that. Fine. It passed and it gone. You did what you gotta do. I did what I gotta do. Fine. Look past that. You were still mad at a bitch about crazy ass shit that I just said I don't have nothing to do about that. You come to Atlanta. You come and you see me. I was happy as fuck when you come. I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to fuck you that night. But something in my mind said don't. Cause every time we text, I get that spirit that you just ate a bitch and you want a bitch to go and you showing a bitch multiple reasons to go, but she just won't go. You know what I'm saying? Like, that nigga just trying to show me so many times that leave me alone. Leave me alone. But he might be just not the person to come and say, oh, leave me the fuck alone. You get what I'm saying? So, I'm be like, yeah, I'm not gonna do this today. I may do it the next day. The next day, before the nigga leave, the nigga pinky promise. I kind of so immature, but yeah. The nigga pinky promised that his ass will be back. He gonna come back. The nigga don't come back. The nigga went to the cabin and fuck. I know you fuck. You was outside sitting down with fucking blanket. Bro, I'm a investigator. I watch the picture. I do shit in my mind. I'm not dumb. I'm not fucking dumb. You got a Spanish backbone. Y'all niggas be having plenty of girls. I'm not stupid. That nigga fucked at the cabin and do his little shit. Be for real. If your nigga said he was gonna come back, and then maybe something happened and you can't come back, does it not give you the right to text me and be like, oh, Vonnie, I can't come back today? You get what I'm saying? It's just like the simple little things that you can do and you don't do. You could text and say, Vonnie, I get caught up. I'm busy. I'm not coming back today. I'll come tomorrow or the next day. Or I'll come back when I come back to Atlanta. It's fine. Nigga, you don't text at all. I call you during the day. We had a conversation. The phone hanged up. You didn't even call back. I don't even call you back because I look, you think you were busy because you was around your friends and it was on business conversation that I don't understood. The whole night straight through the morning, I try to call you. You don't answer. But then I realized you low-key was watching my story. How you could watch my story but haven't seen my missed call or my text? Moderator, block that bitch. How you could watch my story but you can't see my missed call or my text? So, you know, as a female, I'm going to be in my feelings. I was mad as fuck. But I didn't want to crash out. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to come to the internet because that didn't need internet. I was not going to text him and crash out knowing that we kind of just getting back on track. He tried to call me. Normally, he called me. Boom. I picked the phone up right away. I decided I was not going to answer because I was still mad. And I know how rude I could get, so I don't answer. Then he started texting me. I was still in my little mood. I was not falling for it. Fine. He be like, okay, I don't know what your problem is. Text me back when you feel like you ready to talk. I was low-key trying to cool off a little bit. Hold on. Wait, let me turn it up for you. I was low-key. Here, catch this. Oopsie. I was low-key trying to cool off. You get what I'm saying? Because I didn't want to be... Guys, block those people. Fuck ass nigga. Stop calling that nigga name to me. I do not like King. I don't like a bone in King. King and I will never be a thing. Get that in your head. If you want King so bad, go fuck that nigga. Stop calling King name to me, bro. So boom. And that nigga don't even gotta talk back to me after today, because I'm completely done myself, because you're just a... I don't even want to say some shit. But look. Boom. The nigga be like, okay, I don't know what your problem is. Text me when you feel like you're ready to text, da-da-da. I low-key didn't even text back because I was trying to like calm myself down. When I felt like I was going to text back now, one man be like, I was just scrolling through TikTok. I bet you don't tell me what I see. Can you believe I saw the nigga live at his house? So you mean to tell me you went home? And yes, I'm fucking mad because you went home and you didn't even say you was going home. You know what I'm saying? Like, you come, I saw you one fucking night. I saw you one night and then you left. I was to see you the next day, as you promised. You didn't show up. You went back to work. You didn't call me, you didn't text me. The morning, maybe he was calling me. I don't know. It could be that you want to come up, but I was in my mood. You could have still text me and say that you're going home. You could have texted and say, I'm going home today. You didn't even have to see me again to go home. But the fact that you could have communicated and say, Vonnie, I don't think I could see you today. I'm going to go home and you could see me back another time. Da-da-da. Communication, bro. Wasn't I supposed to be mad about that? Who wouldn't be mad about that? Let's be real. You're not dating the nigga, but you're talking to the nigga. You know what I'm saying? Somebody that you're low-key talking with or shit like that. So, why the fuck you didn't tell me you was going home? Fine. Now, this is the part that got me fucked up. We still following each other. You don't text me back. I don't text you back. I didn't even think you should text me back still because I was mad at you, to be honest. And You said I should text you back, I'm still mad because you fucking went home. I didn't get to see you. Now tell me why now, right? I'm still mad at this nigga. This nigga had a big battle coming up, right? I don't even know the guy that this nigga was gonna have a big battle with. I don't know if it was last night. I don't know if it was last night or night before. And I told my live, look, I'm gonna go shoot against somebody. Y'all remember when I said I was gonna shoot against somebody? I'm gonna end my live and come. I wasn't even gonna shoot against the nigga. I actually recharged to gift the nigga. No, I didn't recharge line. I had coins already on my account. I was gonna use the coins from my balance because I had a lot of coins here. So I low-key went on my fake page first because I always go on my fake page first because I want to see what that nigga's talking about over there, what he's up to. I never really joined first with my real page. I joined with my fake page and then I come after with my real page. So when I see that the match was hot, that nigga put up like 64,000 and he put up like 9,000 on my soul. I was gonna gift that nigga. But then I realized that this nigga's only taking me for a fucking stupid. Like, you don't like me. That nigga hate me to the ground he walk on. So I told myself I was not gonna go gift this nigga like I'm trying to buy you or something. You get what I'm saying? I'm not buying you with gifts. I'm not using gift to catch you. So I'd be like, you know what? I know my worth. I'm gonna just sit this one out and fuck that nigga. That's what I told myself. But I was still low-key watching on my fake page. Now, after I saw that the nigga lost the first match, I low-key was gonna shoot. But then every time I put my hand on the gift to send it to say I'm gonna go over there and shoot, I'd be like, nah, fuck, just leave the nigga alone. So I came off my fake page. I went back live. I start chilling. I think it was this morning. I'm scrolling through my fake page because you know I block all these vlogger pages on my real page. So I've been scrolling through my fake page. That's where I'm gonna see everything. Tell me why the nigga thought I was shooting against him. You know what the nigga said? Let's be real. It wasn't even me. That was the other person, genuine people shooting for him. You know what that nigga say? You getting my leftover. And I'm making people I'm feeding people's family. And I leave you with my leftovers. I'm not stupid, buddy. You're talking about me. Because you even send your people to go over there to see who was shooting. And they was telling you, no, that's not Ivany shooting. You was talking about me. Why are you being rude to somebody that didn't even shoot against you? You're talking about me. You're not talking about your team because your team didn't shoot against you. So who else you're talking about? You're talking about me because you think I'm the one shoot against you. And you couldn't be talking about the nigga team because you don't know nobody over the nigga team. So you're actually talking about me. Why the fuck are you speaking on me that bad when I didn't even do shit to you? You get what I'm saying? But now if I come out to be doing shit, I love the media and I live for the media and I do this and I do that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm like, all right, this is what I'm finna do then. Because I know this was going to get him mad as hell. I told my people to tell King to add me. I unblocked King and I followed King. And that little dumbass think I was really gonna get back with him. You sick as fuck. I told everybody to tell King to unblock me because I know that was gonna get on his nerves. So I'm like, yeah, and I was gonna add both of them and just sit there and look at them. Because I could be that messy. So I'm like, tell King to unblock me. And King was super happy. That was the happiest day that nigga lied. That nigga thought something was gonna happen. That nigga unblocked me so fast. Laughing. Oh, she got me black. Tell her I'm trying to add her. He was so fucking happy. Nigga, I was only using you to get on my nigga, the nigga nerves. I was not gonna try to date you. Are you dumb? And then it's like, notice, guys, merch it. Notice every time I try to add King, there was a lot of time I see King was available for me to add him. I was the one who didn't fucking add him. Cause I started thinking, no, I'm like, damn, if I had him, this nigga gonna block me. Didn't I say it last night before this? I just felt it, bro. I just fucking felt it. I told the people, if I add King, the nigga gonna block me, and I can't afford the nigga to block me. I can't afford him to wreck my shit that got going on. So I'd be there thinking to myself, should I add him? I didn't even add that nigga the whole time. Vaughn, you look like Roy. Might have rather block that hoe. I didn't even add King the whole notice yesterday. There's been a lot of times where King sent to call me because he wasn't in a match and I didn't fucking go. I act like, oh, I keep telling y'all my request is on. All along my fucking request was off. I keep telling y'all King was in a battle when I saw him that I could have added him. I didn't want to go because I start thinking to myself, this nigga finna block me. So last night, I was talking about it. Can you believe when I wake up this morning, the dumbass blocked me? What the fuck you blocking me for? What did I do to get blocked? What did I do to get blocked? I didn't shoot against you last night. You know Lions in Uni would have been sent across the screen if he wasn't fucked up. But that's not the whole thing. That's not it. What the fuck I'm being blocked? What did I do? The fact that he called me leftover, yeah, what did I import? Poor me, I didn't even send, bro, I didn't even send a fucking rose. I didn't even send a I could have. I didn't even send a rose. So I'm being like, damn. So when the nigga blocked me now, I was scrolling during the moment and I saw Jessica live popped up and I just blocked Jessica. I didn't even have a reason to block her. Because regardless of Jessica being a little snitchy ass shiny girl, little Jess, you be snitching on girl for real. You be telling that nigga everything. You be telling that nigga who I'm shooting for, da. And I'll be like, Jess, you gotta go. That nigga blocked me. I was mad as hell. I'm like, you gotta go. So I blocked her. And then I was scrolling again and I saw Montreal. I blocked Montreal too. I was just low-key blocking everybody today. I fucking blocked Montreal. I blocked a couple